Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable in-ear detection for your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07. You have to start by open EDIFIER CONNECT app, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you will see the same menu, and we need to go to the settings at the right top. Right here at the left side we have it, so just tap at the wearing detection, and by default you only pause the song when you remove your earbuds from your ears. You can set it to also put, when you put your earbuds back to your ears, you will resume a song, so it's up to you, and also pause when you remove it. Or you can disable it by just click at the disable. And then you just go back. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.